Yeah, I'm right back. So I don't have so much minutes to speak, but today I did not a makeup tutorial. I did a cooking tutorial. I made some cookies, and if you guys want to see how I made them, please watch, and please watch until the last part. It's very, I don't want to tell you to spoil the surprise, but watch the whole video and you will laugh, but yeah, you will know, you will know after watching if it was a fail or I made it. If you want to see this look, be be kizungumukuti. If you want to see the how I made this makeup, it's gonna be on my next video, so stay tuned, don't go anywhere. And please guys, subscribe, support me as you're supporting me, and share my videos, and kizungumukuti, and please subscribe and okay, yeah. Anyway, comment so that I know what you feel about my videos and like them. This makeup looks good, but you guys, you're gonna watch on the next video and let me know what you think. Yeah, it was very fun making it. So now let's go and make our cookies, because we need to bite something. Oh, I didn't go, I'm still here. Okay, watch me making the cookies. So my ingredients was baking powder, vanilla sugar, I didn't have extract, salt, some chocolate chips, brown sugar, all-purpose flour, white sugar, cinnamon. I also added baking powder. Did I say baking soda before? Yeah, and then you're gonna need 2 eggs, some raisins, and I also added a cup of oats. First we start with our butter, and then we're gonna mix it until it becomes soft. Like this. Then we add our sugar. Add generously. This is just a one-time snack. You don't eat this all the time. And then we're gonna add our brown sugar. Yeah, I was having trouble pouring in because it was so thick. Finally, I managed, and we're gonna continue mixing this until it's very well mixed, well incorporated. Mix it very well. It's dry at this point, but don't worry. Just get well mixed. It's very well. I was using one hand, so that's why I'm struggling. And then we come here and take our 2 eggs and pop them inside. Yeah. So I also added a vanilla sugar because I don't have vanilla extract. I added also baking powder. So I'm gonna whip this until it gets a very nice and thick butter. You can call it dough if you want. So this is what I'm making. Very nice looking, thick, soft. Take an extra bowl, a cleaner one, and pour your all-purpose flour. Put your baking powder, some salt, and your oats. You mix this very well. Add the cinnamon and give it a thorough mix with your spoon, with your spatula, anything that you have, your hand, anything. Mix it very well, mix it very well, mix them, gather them, mix them, gather them. Yeah, baby. So you mix that very well. It's until it's well incorporated. Go back to your batter now, and you're gonna add all your dry ingredients like moss, picohilia, kidogo, little by little, and then you continue mixing. Don't go too fast like I did, otherwise you're gonna mix the whole place. And then as you continue to mix, you continue to add your dry ingredients. At some point you're gonna need a spatula or a spoon because it will be thicker. Take it to the mixer, my hand mixer. So you put the spoon and continue the process like I mixed it so well. So this is what I got. So we're gonna set aside and clean our mess, our area, and come back and put our raisins. I did that. You say I'm doing that now. And then I'm adding my chocolate chips. And then when we come back, we're gonna set our baking tray. So mix it very, very well. Mix very, very well. So our baking tray is ready here, waiting. So we're gonna scoop some. You can use ice cream scooper, you can use your 2 spoons. So I was using my 2 spoons. So don't worry guys, you see me struggling here because I was holding my camera with my chin. Yeah, that's how I am struggling for you guys. Yeah, I'm joking. I enjoy doing this. So transferring to the baking tray. Yeah, so I'll continue doing this and then I'll be right back. So I got everything ready and I have some dough remaining, so I'm gonna use my rack and put and scoop up the remaining cookie dough and repeat the process over again. So I'll have the smaller ones and I'll have the bigger ones. So there we are. These ones you see they are smaller. So we go back, we check our oven. It was heating to 190 degrees C, that is 375 degrees Fahrenheit. And we're gonna put them inside. Yeah, it's hot. We're gonna put them inside to 11 to 15 minutes, but you have to keep on checking so you won't burn them because they can be ready before that, maybe 11 minutes. So we're gonna place our cookie dough and wait for the magic. So after 11 minutes I'm back. Wow, my cookies looked crunchy and beautiful. Oh my god. Wow, look guys. So let's remove them and place them on the table. After they cooled, I placed some on the plate, so I'm trying to scoop, but it's not possible because I'm still using my one hand. Anyway, I managed. So we're gonna try out and see how they turn out. Wow, they look good. Oh, they are all burnt. Oh, look at the bottom. They look black. Let's see the next. Oh, it's the birds. Oh. Let's go to the bigger ones. Ah, these ones are perfect because they were not at the bottom. They were up there. Oh, they look perfect with my, I'm gonna have with my cup of coffee. I don't drink milk, so this is perfect.